Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to install PyCharm editor in our Windows machine for performing our Python programming. PyCharm is specially designed for Python programming only. So we can use a large number of frameworks within it like Django, Flask and many more. But yeah, this PyCharm editor is very powerful and very efficient for developers. So let's get into the browser and download PyCharm and install in our system. And we'll also try to create some projects in PyCharm and we'll show you how you can create a project and go ahead with your development environment, right? So let's get into the browser and search for PyCharm. Okay, so PyCharm is officially created by JetBrains.com. So this will be the first URL to find out, which is JetBrains.com. And when you comes to the website, it will give you the option to download. Simply click on this download option, and you'll be coming to a new page where it's showing that it's available for different um, uh, operating system versions, and also it's giving you two version like professional and community version. So professional version is a paid and it's only of available for a free trial for 14 days. But yeah, there is a lot advantage using professional version because it's built with so many uh, web frameworks like Django, Flask, and everything, and also give you more flexibility. But yeah, community version is also very good, and in the other hand, it's free and open source. Anybody can use it. So we'll simply go with the community version, and also we'll try to create some projects in this. Okay, so let's click on this download option and it will start downloading. It will take some time and it will be downloaded, and after the download we'll try to install this by following the on-screen guidance given by the installer. Okay. All right, so okay, the download has been completed. I'll simply just double click on this and wait for the installer to come up, and we'll follow the installation guideline. Okay, so now we can see the installer is ready to install. Now just follow whatever is asking to do, and simply wait for some time and it will get installed in your machine, right? So here asking for a destination folder where you want your files to be saved. If you want, you can change this location, but yeah, I'm going with the default option. Okay, so now click on next, and these are the things which you can do it, but yeah, that's not required. But here is one more option, which is to update path variable, and it will automatically add the path variable in your system for PyCharm editor. Now you can do this because it's important and you need to do it manually also. But yeah, I'm doing it from here. I'll simply now go to next and install. Okay, so the PyCharm installation is completed now. Now it's asking me to reboot it, but yeah, I will do it later. And now finish this. And now let's open the PyCharm editor and now create some project in this. Okay, so I'm searching for PyCharm and simply open this. Okay, so this is the welcome screen for PyCharm editor. Now you have three options here. One is to create a new project, another one is to open a already created project, and third one is if you have any repository in GitHub, you can simply access this using this option. Okay, so here we also have some option to customize it, like we can change the font size also. You can change the theme of the editor also. Okay, so you can do this manually. Okay, so I am keeping it for the default and going to create a new project from here. Okay, so now just click on new project to create a new project, and in the next page give your project a name. Like I'm writing a project name. Okay, so my project name is already created. Now the next part is okay, so my project name has been taken here. Now the next part is to choose a base interpreter. So if you have multiple versions of Python installed, you must be having options here. But I have only latest version of Python installed. That's why I only have the option. So, but if you have a different version of Python installed, please try to check the correct one and select this. Okay. So now this is all done. Now simply create on the create option and the project will start creating. Now it will take some time for the project to load each and everything, so wait for some time and it will be ready for you to execute your codes in the PyCharm editor. Okay, so my project is completely ready, and now we can use write our codes and run the codes. Okay, so now we have our projects created by this name, what we have kept before, and along with this we have some default folders available, which we do not need to worry about this. Now what we'll do is I'll simply create a file, Python file in this, and write our some program in this and show you how this works. Okay, so just right click on this, go to new and select Python file. Okay, give it a name, hello world, and hit enter. Okay, so the file has been created. Now what I'll do is I'll simply write the very first program of hello world. Okay, so to print hello world, we need to use a print function. So I'm simply typing print and I'm writing hello world. Okay, so the program has been written. Now simply right click on this, the file name, and choose run hello world. Okay, now you can see the output is successfully printed on your screen. So now we know that it's running very fine. There is no problem at all. In the same way, you can work with your projects or work with your apps, whatever you have to create with, and enjoy the programming. Okay, so this is all for now. So take care and bye.